Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Spray Arm. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new spray arm. The spray arm spins around to help clean the dishes. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's clogged or damaged and your dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull out the upper rack so we have access to the spray arm. It's mounted on the water supply tube. We're just going to reach underneath and grab the nut and turn it clockwise as you're looking at it. Once you have it released, you can pull it off the dish rack. Here's the old spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new spray arm on, you just want to line it up with the water supply tube and then turn the nut counterclockwise as you're looking at it. Once you have it locked in place, you can push the upper dish rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.